then you can do that, but I recommend just keeping it simple for now. Just simple name and email, that is absolutely fine. And we can also change this from submit to click here for info, and that is it. And then we save. Okay, so this is our form. Now what we want to do now is get the HTML code. Okay, then we want to copy all of this. Okay, so we've copied all of that code, and then we want to go to our Homestead site builder. Okay, so once you've got your page set up how you want, what we will do on the site builder, we will go up to view create form elements. No, sorry, we will go to this one here, which is view add images, files and elements. Okay, so we click on that, then we go to insert HTML, and it will bring up a small box. Okay, then we go over to here, enter and or paste HTML, and this is where we paste the HTML that we've just copied from Aweber. Okay, and then we OK that, and then when we go to preview, now that form is now in there. Okay, so when people put their name and their email address in, that's all taken care by Aweber, and that as soon as someone puts their name and email address in, that will show up in Aweber as a new lead and give you their name and their email address and some other pieces of information regarding where they're based, where in the world, and bits and pieces of information like that. Okay, so that is fairly straightforward. Now obviously what we're going to need to do is set up, and this is what can take some time, and this is really an ongoing situation. You're going to want to build up your email lists. And what I mean is, obviously when you first set up a web form and a new form with Aweber, you have no emails. Okay, Aweber don't write the emails for you, you have to write them yourself. But we will go to messages, and what I recommend you do is you just write, first of all, just an introductional email saying thank you, I've received your information. Okay, I'm going to give you some examples of some of the emails that I send, probably below this video, just so you have a better understanding of what you need to be putting in your emails. But basically the point of this email contact is to build up the relationship with your leads and your prospect and build up the trust. Okay, because it's fairly well known that it takes 7 interactions before someone really takes notice of you and begins to trust you. So what I recommend you do is spend 20 minutes, half an hour each day, 5 days a week for the next month, or whatever your time will allow. But what we want to be doing is trying to add at least 1 email every day to the autoresponder, because once you've done it, I mean, here's an example of one of my campaigns. I've got 13 emails, okay, and they're sent out, it says here 1 day, and then the next one is 1 day, then 2 days, 2 days. So it's completely up to you, how often the emails are sent out. But what I'm doing here, I'm building up a relationship. I've taken the time to write an email talking more about my business, talking more about the benefits of the business, and just giving them more information, and telling stories and building up rapport. Okay, that's the whole point of email marketing. Okay, so once you've done that, just be consistent, try and add emails every day, or at least try and add 2 or 3 emails a week to this. Once you've got 15, 20 emails all set up and you've put the work in, you only have to do the work once and that's all done. Okay, and there you have it. And there you have your autoresponder inbuilt into the web page that you've created with Homestead. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I will see you on the next video. Okay, bye bye.